All right, Brian from Garage Mahal. We have the Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G, and we got it in Phantom Green, so this will be pretty cool to check out. So that's the box, and that is the phone. Oh, that's the old one, and this is the new one. Okay. So pretty cool. So let's see what else comes in that box. That's your little SIM tool that's on the back. And your charging cable. Your warranty, your instructions, your basic stuff. But that is the phone. Let's take a look at the back, and that is the Phantom Green. So that looks pretty sharp. Alright, let's flip that over again and take a look at the color. It's so hard to tell. You can tell on that side for sure. You can kind of definitely see that color. Okay. And that's it. I'm going to do a side-by-side comparison. So basically, some little differences and similarities. Okay. All right, there you go. The Samsung Fold. All right, Brian from Garage Mahal. Thanks for watching. Be safe out there.